Today we're showing you a John Deere 1050 four-wheel drive tractor. Tractor comes with a John Deere 80 front end loader and also a John Deere 8 rear backhoe. So you're buying the complete unit here. Has just under 1,200 hours. We traded the tractor in locally here. It's in a really nice shape. The paint's good on it. Runs and works well with no known issues. Again, it does come with the loader and the backhoe. We do also have the 3-point arms that go with the tractor, so if you do want to remove the backhoe and use the tractor as a normal tractor, you certainly can do so. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. It's not banged up, it's not beat up, and again, it is the 1050 model. Has the front grill guard on it. Has approximately, I think it's 11 or 1,200 hours. Has a gear transmission, and again comes with the John Deere 8 rear backhoe, and again we do have the 3-point arms that go with the machine as well. The backhoe is quick attach. You can easily remove the backhoe if you choose to. Nice big bucket on the backhoe here. It does appear like this cylinder is leaking out of the front there, so you got a little bit of oil coming out there. Ag tires are in really good shape. If you're looking for a loader backhoe package like this, don't want to spend $40,000, this might be a really good fit. It does have the power steering there as well, and again, gear transmission. 1178.2 are the current hours, and again we did take the tractor in on a local trade. As you can see, the tractor is in really nice shape yet. This is one of our budget friendly tractors that will sell as is, where is, just the way you see it here. Again, no known mechanical issues. We did point out that leaking cylinder in the back there. That's really the only known issue, which could very easily be resolved. If you have any questions with the tractor or want to come in and take a look at it, we'll be happy to show it to you. Or if you do have any questions on it, feel free to contact us at masttractor.com.